Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you where the recycle bin is in Facebook. To start, open Facebook on your computer or mobile device and go to your profile. This is the first step to finding your deleted content. Facebook doesn't have a traditional recycle bin like your computer, but rather a trash section within your activity log. We'll guide you through accessing this area to manage your deleted posts, photos, and videos. Once on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal dots, usually found near your cover photo. Click on these dots and a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Activity Log. This log is a comprehensive record of everything you've done on Facebook, from posts you've liked to comments you've made, and it's where we'll find your deleted items. Inside your activity log, you'll see a menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Trash. This is Facebook's equivalent of a recycle bin. Any posts, photos, or videos you've deleted will reside here for a period of 30 days. After these 30 days, Facebook automatically and permanently removes them, so it's important to check this section regularly if you need to recover something. Now that you're in the trash section, you can see all your recently deleted content. Take a moment to review the items. For each item, you'll have the option to either restore it, which puts it back on your profile, or delete it permanently before the 30-day period is up. Simply select the item or items you want to manage and click the appropriate button to complete your action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.